Hi, I would like to take a few minutes and walk you through the individual claims and evidence assignment that is due on Friday. This is one of those individual benchmarks that you have to have finished before we will give you a group next week. And so if you want to be able to do this project in a group, you need to get this done by Friday. Also, if you are wanting to do this project by yourself, that's fine, that's acceptable this year. However, you don't want to get behind. So we want you to start strong um, and to get this finished. So while we are looking at the individual claims and evidence, you're going to put your name, and then I want you to circle one, or you can bold it or highlight it on the computer. I believe Bigfoot exists. I do not believe Bigfoot exists. So you're going to use one of those. Even if you are unsure right now, this isn't your final thing. You don't have to make your final decision right now. But as of right now, do you believe he exists or doesn't? You will go through, you can highlight it, and then click bold, or you can circle it if you're doing it on paper. And then you're going to do the following. So a claim, you're going to choose a claim that you want to use. So if I said something like, I believe Bigfoot exists because he does, because of the Patterson video footage. And that's my claim. Like there is video footage of Bigfoot. Then my possible evidence could be the Patterson video. It could be some of the other people who've talked about the video. And so you're going to use all these different evidences. Is that a word? All of this different evidence to build your claim that you believe Bigfoot exists because of the video recordings of him. And then you're going to write your thinking, like, how do those pieces of evidence, how do these support the claim that you've come up with? And then you need to come up with resources. So you will be working on APA format in science class. So you can go ahead and put APA in here, or you can just at least put the website and what date you went to the website. And then that way, after you have the APA workshop that you'll be doing with Miss Fee, you'll be able to fill that out. So you're going to do this with 3 different claims. So you're going to come up with 3 claims that help you decide if Bigfoot exists or doesn't. And for each of those claims, you're going to think about the possible evidences. Now, you may be thinking, Miss Burns, where am I going to get this information? I'm so glad you asked. So far, you have gone to the BFRO website, and you have looked at the different sightings, and you were pulling pieces of evidence that would prove that he exists through those sightings reports. So that's one place you can look. Another place you can look is in science class on the introduction day. You went through these different videos and articles, and you were able to learn some more about Bigfoot and just kind of do your personal, like your own research on it. And so I just copied her whole page to mine, so that way you could see the things that you've already seen, but that way they're at least in my course while you're doing it. The other one is I have been building on some more resources. And so here are the other research sites. I've gone through and tried to organize it. The first thing I want to show you about this is if you find any other good Bigfoot research sites, please send me an It's Learning message. So then that way I can add them to this page. So if you find any more good Bigfoot research sites, send me an It's Learning message. And then I tried to organize it where the left would be people who do not believe Bigfoot exists. And so you'll see different articles and things like here is a video that disproves the Patterson footage. So if you are in that camp, you're going to want to use that. Looking over here on the right, these are more articles that that people do believe that Bigfoot exists. So the Bigfoot Sketch Project, I didn't really jump into that too much, so hopefully it's a good resource. The BFRO website has some good feature articles, and so like when you click on this, it's going to take you to several different articles that you could read. And then there is an explanation of the Patterson video to show that it's legit and it happened. So this is why this is so fun, right? Like on the left side of this page, you can watch a video that disproves this video, or on the right, you can see how it was true in someone's explanation of it. So you can decide. Oh, and then here's some more documentaries if you want to watch some of those, if that helps. So you decide which side of this page you want to research, either the left or the right. Bigfoot does not exist is on the left. Bigfoot does exist is on the right. And while you're welcome to use these sites, you're welcome to use other ones that you can find. But if you find any good ones, please let me know so I can add it to this page for everyone to see. So again, you're going to research all of this stuff. You're going to find evidence to support your claim. Again, if I use the claim, I believe Bigfoot exists because there is video footage. My claim is there's video footage of Bigfoot. And then possible evidence, maybe I would talk about the Patterson video. Maybe I would look at other sites that have, there's other pictures of Bigfoot, and I would try to find 3 different pieces of evidence that will prove that claim. And then my thinking, of course, would be like, there's pictures, there's videos. Like, you can't deny things that you're seeing on the, you can't deny these pictures and videos that you're finding on the internet. People have seen him. He exists. That would be my thinking. And then later on, we'll talk about counterclaim, because I'm sure some of you are about to attack me with all of the things that you could say that was wrong with what I just said. And that's why this is so fun. So you need to come up with 3 different claims, find possible evidence to prove your claim, and then think about why the evidence connects to the claim. And then this is due on Friday. You'll submit it on my It's Learning course. Please let me know if you have any questions, and please let me know if you find other good resources that either prove or disprove Bigfoot's existence. Thanks so much.